Welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2015 Mazda CX-5 2.2 SKYACTIV-D SEL Lux Nav in white. It has covered 76,000 miles since new and has had 2 previous owners. Features include both front and rear parking sensors, full leather interior with heated front seats, satellite navigation, cruise control, Bluetooth and a sunroof. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.